Hi, Dejan here from TGN. Alright, so today we have the UniFi Access Kit. Alright, this is a starter kit for the UniFi Access, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So over here you have the starter kit with the Hub, the Pro, and the Lite. Alright, and together with the cards, which I will show you how it looks like. Alright, so for this you need to definitely use it with the UDM Pro or the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus. Okay, and it has to be running on the latest controller version and firmware. Alright, do take note of that because there are more and more new functions coming in. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. Let me open it up. Alright, so over here inside you have the hub itself. Okay, the hub can be powered by PoE, as you can see here, and as usual, for those who are into door access, you will know that these are some of the connectors for release or for the connection, and also to add on additional batteries. It comes also with a ding rail and the screws. Okay, and it comes with a stack of 20 cards, okay, which I will show it to you. Okay, so over here you can see there are a stack of 20 cards, alright, and they all have the Ubiquity logo. Okay, and for the front door, okay, you have a card reader with the NFC card reader and also a camera. Okay, and it comes also with the holders for the mounting brackets. Okay, so over here you can have the mounting brackets. Okay, so these are the brackets that comes with it. It will be able to fit on almost universally all the standard connectors that you have on your doors. Okay, and this is the internal door opener. Okay, so just touch on it and you'll do the door release. Okay, and over here you have the brackets. Similarly, these are the brackets over here. Okay, so you can see all the brackets. They are all provided for you. Alright. Okay, so basically this is the UniFi starter kit for the access. And remember, as usual, from the start of my video I was reminding you guys to use this and install this. You definitely have to use either with the UDM Pro or the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus. Okay, you definitely need a Plus model for this. Other than that, if you have any comments or if you have anything that you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section. We will definitely give you a reply. Okay, or else please remember to subscribe to our video and like our video if you can. Alright, thank you very much.